Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to remove last name on Facebook. And you can make your Facebook account as a single name account. For this one, you have to open Facebook. Now we'll show you our profile. So you can see our Facebook account have first name and last name also. Now we'll guide you how you can remove last name. You have to click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. And then you have to click on settings. Again click on settings, click on personal information, and you have to click on your name, and then you have to remove your surname. Click on review changes. Here you will see error, you must provide a surname. You have to go back. Now you have to download and install Touch VPN. The app link is given in the video description. You can click on that link and you can download and install this application. After the installation, you have to open Touch VPN application. Click on best choice. From here you have to select Indonesia. Click on connect. Click on OK. So here you can see Touch VPN is successfully connected. After connecting Touch VPN, you have to close Facebook from background. Now open Facebook again. Click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Click on personal information. Click on your name. Now you have to remove your last name. Click on review changes. Now it will ask you to provide the password. You have to provide the password. Click on save changes. So you can see we have successfully removed our last name. Now we'll go back and now we'll show you our profile. So here you can see we have successfully removed our last name. So in the same way, you can also remove last name on Facebook. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries.